Welcome. Today, we're diving into Tesla's innovative digital ownership transfer process. This feature allows you to transfer ownership of your Tesla to a new owner entirely through the Tesla app, eliminating paperwork and trips to the DMV. It's a game changer in vehicle ownership, making the process seamless and efficient. Before initiating a transfer, ensure you and the buyer both have active Tesla accounts. The Tesla must be in good standing with no outstanding recalls or liens. The seller must have full ownership rights of the vehicle. Leased vehicles, or those with financing still owed, are not eligible for digital transfer. The seller begins by logging into the Tesla app on their smartphone. Tap the Tesla app icon to open it and log in with your Tesla account credentials. Once logged in, navigate through the app menu to find the Vehicle Management section. In the Vehicle Management section, locate and select the Transfer Ownership option to initiate the digital transfer process. Make sure you have the latest version of the Tesla app installed for optimal performance and access to all features. In Step 2, the Tesla app generates a one-time transfer code. This code is crucial for the buyer to claim ownership of the vehicle. The code remains valid for 7 days, giving both parties time to complete the process. For added security, an optional PIN can also be created alongside the code. Next, share this code securely with the buyer. You can use email or text, but for maximum security, prefer encrypted messaging apps. This helps prevent interception by unauthorized parties. The buyer enters the transfer code in their Tesla app. They will review the vehicle details, including price and condition. At this stage, the buyer will also sign digitally within the app, using integrated e-signature tools to confirm their agreement to the transfer. Payment is processed through integrated methods, such as Tesla's wallet or third-party services like Stripe. Upon successful payment, the ownership transfer is executed instantly. Both the buyer and seller will receive notifications confirming the transfer. The vehicle's telematics are automatically updated, and the seller's access is revoked. After completing the transfer, several important post-transfer actions ensure everything is properly set up for the new owner. Step 5. Post-transfer actions. First, the new owner should update their account details within the Tesla app. This includes verifying personal information and ensuring the app is linked to the correct profile. Second, the seller's access to the vehicle is automatically revoked through Tesla's servers. This immediate action prevents any continued control by the previous owner and gives the new owner full authority. Third, depending on the location, the buyer may need to physically register the title at their local DMV. While Tesla handles the digital transfer, some regions still require official DMV registration for legal purposes. Always verify local laws regarding digital titles. Tesla's digital ownership transfers include strong security features like AES 256 encryption to protect vehicle data. However, there are important limitations to consider. Always verify local laws, as some areas require physical title registration. The transfer process is not available for leased vehicles or those with outstanding financing. For international transfers, additional customs or tax filings may be required, but Tesla provides guidance within the app.